Okay, I'm gonna try to do this really quick before my boys and my dog enter the room. So when I gave you a link to click, once you click that link, this is where you're gonna end up. This is how you're gonna start your membership and get your starter kit. They're one and the same. Once you buy a starter kit, you get a membership and you get the wholesale price. So here is the first thing. They already have the Desert Mist checked off. So you get the starter kit, of course, with a diffuser. You can also choose the Dewdrop and you can also choose the Aria. We absolutely love the Desert Mist. We have 2 in our home and we have 1 Aria in our home, and I love both of them. So here's the difference. The Aria is very spa-like. Most people who oil eventually get one of these, and it is much cheaper to buy it with a starter kit. So that would end up being $265 for the Aria. This is spa-like. It has a remote. It has a speaker you can hook up to your phone and play music. It also has very spa-like music on it that you can either turn on or off. It has light settings. You can change that. It also has a timer on it. So it's a really, really great diffuser, and I do recommend that one, but you cannot go wrong with the Desert Mist either. Love the Desert Mist so much. So that would be my children screaming. So we're going to scroll down once you choose those, and it's going to say, would you like to start Essential Rewards? And you can choose here yes or no. I do recommend you choosing yes because of the deals that you can get with this. This is kind of a lifestyle thing, and so we buy Young Living offers oil-infused supplements. They offer all kinds of wonderful cleaning supplies, makeup. Everything is plant-based, mineral-based, and it's non-toxic, and it comes with a seed to sale promise. And their sourcing is so incredible that I have been slowly changing all of my stuff out with Young Living products. And in return, I'm getting lots and lots of points and lots of free items. So it's really just a transfer of where I'm spending my money now. I just don't trust all of the products that are out there like I do Young Living. So then you're going to go, so once you choose those two, you can choose yes or no. When you choose yes, you're going to customize your monthly order. And here you just have to spend 50 PV per month. Product value is what PV stands for. And it's pretty much a one-to-one dollar amount. There are a few items throughout that are not, that don't count as a lot of PV, mostly like diffusers and things like that. So like lavender is going to be $24 for a 15 milliliter bottle, and it equals 24 PV. So that's kind of how that works. So here, if you need some recommendations, I highly recommend starting with the Thieves Household Cleaner. And all you would do here is just put in the product name, and I would just put in Thieves. And it's going to go to the Thieves Household Cleaner here. This is a $22 bottle of Thieves, and I've done some videos on this if you want to check those out on my YouTube channel called Joy and Oils. Just to show you a little bit, I put one little capful in a 16-ounce glass bottle, and I use that for every surface of my home now. So I only have one cleaning product in my home, minus what we use for the dishes and things like that. Those are also Thieves. But I would add that. That's $22. And then I would also add the laundry soap. The laundry soap is incredible. And I use that I use that in a video, or I show you in a video what I use with the Thieves laundry soap. I make it into 3 32-ounce bottles, which is pretty awesome. And it lasts a really long time. So it's a great value. And then once again, it's non-toxic. And it's a wonderful soap. So I would do that. And then I would scroll down here to save my monthly order. And you're going to go ahead and do next. And then you are going to fill out all of your personal information here, name, address. You probably want to write down your PIN number and your password just so you don't forget it. I went ahead and just did my social security number. It's not a big deal. I would not even worry about that. Because I knew I was going to do the business, and it doesn't, either way, it doesn't matter. So, you are going to click here, agree to terms and conditions. And it says I didn't fill out stuff. And then you're going to continue on filling out the information. I think the next couple slides are credit card information. So there you go. That's basically all you have to do to get involved and start your membership with Young Living. And yeah, if you have any questions along the way, you're free to call me or text me and ask me questions. Let's see. I feel like there's something I'm leaving out, but I feel like that is all that you need to know. So let me know. Hope you guys have a great day.